Look at that. Amazing. Good morning. Check that view out. We stopped here at the top of Sir Lowry's Pass, just overlooking the Helderberg Basin. And we are going to be, this whole 5th week of ours, we're going to be covering the Overberg area, which is pretty exciting. We haven't done that yet. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be heading up towards Grabouw. We're going to be spending time in Grabouw, seeing what interesting things there are there. Maybe have a breakfast. And then we're going to go towards the Jailhouse Dam. We've been there before, but we're going to take a different route around the bottom side of the Jailhouse Dam. We're going to go do a bit of exploring around that side. And then we're going to Villiersdorp. We're going to go and explore a bit of Villiersdorp. Then we're going to a farm just other side Villiersdorp to go and spend the night there. So I hope you enjoy this trip with us, and let's get going. Look at this view from the top of Sir Lowry's Pass over the Helderberg. Stunning. Interesting to see that the pass was first built in 1830 and then reconstructed in 1958 and then 1984.
So the original lasted like 130 years.
Crazy.
Expecting some kind of rover in between.
Yes, moon landscape with plants. So I think we are arriving in Grabouw. Yep, here's the sign.
Apple country.
Yeah.
It's the biggest apple producing area in our country, isn't it?
Yes, I think the whole region of Grabouw, Elgin, all of that is the area.
And there is a tiny chill in the air.
I've
not
noticed.
So tiny.
No, it's not so tiny. I've been driving around here in Grabouw looking for interesting things, and we came across this building. It's built totally of stone, and the name is called Jailhouse Square. So if you look at what the building itself looks like, this is really old, and we saw that number and we called that number, and the lady told us that it was a jail where they imprisoned people, but they don't know the exact history. So I am going to be trying my utmost to find out exactly what this history is about this place. It's going to take a lot of research, because we try to look on the internet now, there's absolutely nothing about it. So maybe we can find somebody else and speak to them and find out what it's about. So many little buildings and things. There's a Jailhouse Cafe, but it's closed. And on the internet it says it's temporarily closed. All of these old stone buildings. Crazy. Such a big stand as well. So, beautiful little river.
Right in the center of town.
Yeah, the old buildings I was talking about. I want to come and stop here. This is them, exactly.
Ah, okay, Harris Brothers.
That's exactly the one.
Established 1908.
Wow, sir. Something interesting. I don't know if this is the same one. It says 1908. Yeah, this place was established, but this is one of the older buildings that's always featured when you speak about Grabouw. And apparently the town was started in 1856 by Wilhelm Langschmidt, who was a painter from Cape Town. And his wife started a little trading store, and the community was built up around the trading store. And then he named the place Grabouw after the town where he was born in Germany, called Grabouw apparently. So very interesting. But this building is one of the older ones. This one features a lot when you Google stuff about Grabouw.
Wow.
So Grabouw is surrounded by mountains, eh? The Hottentots Holland Mountains and Greenland now.
Yep. And you can see, eh, how green it is.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Really is gorgeous.
Yeah, it is stunning.
Oh, look at the autumn leaves.
Wow, pretty,
Love
eh?
it. Oh, I love it.
That's the church.
Dutch Reformed. Look at the wooden cross. But everything is locked up.
All locked up. No way I can get in.
Closed.
Okay.
Or is there another entrance, you think?
Can I go and have a look?
Look at those petals, eh?
We're just coming back past Oudenboel and look at that. This is the brewery of the
Distillery.
of
the brandy.
Brandy is crazy.
Well, this made, even although we can't get in, this made it worthwhile for me.
Look at all that foam,
This
eh?
is so cool.
This is about the fermentation process, I suppose. I have no idea how it works.
Look how high the bubbles are this side.
Yeah. How pretty is this? And there's that old building ruin on that side.
Yeah.
But I wonder what this was, eh?
Oh, it's been like that for a long, long time.
We're still in Grabouw. We stopped here at a mall at the Wimpy. We're going to have a breakfast here, but check the view from the Wimpy as we're sitting here.
Quite a cool view, yeah.
I haven't had my cup of coffee for the day yet, so this is my first one. I can get started now. This is mine with the 2 eggs. That's Sonia's with the 1 egg.
1 egg only, please.
And the sausage.
Yeah.
Lekker, lekker. We are in Grabouw. Stopped at the Spa, and no better place to get Grabouw boerewors as in Grabouw, eh? I think can't beat this. Okay, there where we had breakfast by the Wimpy, opposite is the Orchard farm stall, and we featured it twice before, but I had to stop there to buy some mosbolletjies for breakfast tomorrow morning. So
You just can't resist.
just can't resist that. I'm telling you, one of the best mosbolletjies I've ever had. It looks like some dam wall. And this is the Viljoens Pass. The pass is named after a gentleman called Sir Antonie Viljoen, who was some apple pioneer in the area. Yeah, as we all know, this area is very well known for its apples. Check this dam. was sitting here flying my drone over the dam, and these gentlemen stopped off here. They're going to be flying racing pigeons. So let me turn the camera around and show you. So these are your racing pigeons?
This is our racing pigeons, yes.
And how many of them are there?
Yes, about 150.
150?
Yeah, but it's mine and his.
Together?
Yes,
Ah, okay.
I have 94, he have about 80.
80, and where are you from?
We're from Grabouw, yes.
Oh, so they're flying back to Grabouw?
Yes, but this is our first toss.
Oh, okay.
Normally we start like at 15 kilos from home.
Oh, okay.
Then we go further.
And how far is this about?
That's about 15 kilos.
15 kilos. Oh, okay, so it's your first one that
It's
you...
our first one, yes.
Okay, great
Yes.
stuff. So when are you releasing them now? I'm going to stand here, I want to watch this. This was a bit of luck, eh? Look at that. Amazing. Look at this. That's incredible, eh? Now they first are flying around
Yes, you will fly around to get the
direction. Okay.
But you see mine,
They're already gone. There they go.
I think mine is because sometime in December I was having mine here.
Oh, okay.
30 babies I was having here.
Wow.
So that is his.
I see they're trying to find their direction now. Okay.
If they can't make it from here
Yes.
home, because our shortest race is Laingsburg. You know Laingsburg.
Oh, yes, I know where Laingsburg is. Yes.
Laingsburg, and then after we do twice Laingsburg,
Yes.
then we do Lugamka,
From Laingsburg and then you go Lugamka
Lugamka,
further. Okay.
then Lugamka, Beaufort West,
Okay, wow.
then Victoria West. We eventually end up in Northwest Bloemhof.
What?
Yes.
And they fly all the way from there to here?
Yes. Yeah.
That's crazy. And how long will it take them?
Last year, with the last year's Bloemhof race, it took them the first pigeon to arrive in Grabouw. They released 6:15 that morning.
Yes.
The first pigeon arrived past 2.
Past 2, yeah.
No, past 3.
Past 3.
Past 3. But it was tailwind.
Oh, that helped, eh?
Yeah,
that
if there
helped.
wasn't a tailwind, it means Sunday morning.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
But
that
wow.
was a tailwind all the way from Northwest to Cape Town. It was a tailwind.
Yes.
So most of the guys did get pigeons on the Saturday.
Wow.
But normally we suspect Sunday morning only.
Okay, if the winds go in the opposite direction, of course, yeah.
Or normal conditions.
Yes. Man, thank you so much.
We try.
Yeah. But that's amazing. Now they're gone.
Yeah, they're gone now.
They're going home.
Going on.
They're going to be there before you.
Long before. It will take them, if, for example, the first day when you put them here, né?
Yes.
Then it will take them maybe 10, 12 minutes to go home.
Yes.
But the second day, it takes them 5 minutes to go home.
Oh, because then they know.
Then they know
Yeah,
exactly
yeah.
what to do.
And they don't fly around. They,
Ah,
yes.
just out and
There they go home, yeah. All right, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, what a pleasure that was to meet Donovan and Daniel, eh?
Yes. Great guys.
Incredible. They say instead of going to the pub, this is what they do. They fly pigeons. And they are passionate about it, let me tell you. And he says also last year, out of a group of 300 races, he came 23rd. That's not bad.
That's
Eh?
not bad at all.